Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Nomadic Sage. In this video we are talking about IndusInd Bank Credit Card's Pinnacle Credit Card again, and this time we are looking at the launch benefit of this card. Now some of you might be wondering why we are talking about launch benefit of a card in such a long format video, and basically what people mostly focus on is how many launch visits per month or quarter or annually a card gives, and that's it. However, there more to it, and I have made a video some time ago explaining the different launches that a card gives access to and not just the number. So what I mean by that, let's say you're traveling through Mumbai airport, or maybe you're taking a flight from Mumbai and you want to visit the launch. So on most cards you would have access to the travel club launch, but not the Adani launch, and that thing is something you need to take care of, because if you want to visit the Adani lounge and not the travel club lounge, let's say the travel club lounge is full, or maybe if you just want to experience more premium lounge, then if you want to go to the Adani lounge, then yes, you cannot access that with your credit card if that card doesn't provide Adani lounge access. That's one example, and other than that, there are different lounges at a different airport. So in some cards they only give access to lounges on the main airports, the big city airport like Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, and all of those. And the smaller airport that do have lounges, most cards don't give access to that. I'm talking about the basic cards here. So let's just look at Pinnacle credit card now. And one thing that I will show you is that this is the page for the Pinnacle credit card on the IndusInd's website. And if you click on Pinnacle Travel, then it will show you the Priority Pass program. And like you might know that Priority Pass is only for the international lounges. So you get two complimentary visits each quarter. So that's all about the Priority Pass program. However, what I want to focus on is the domestic lounges, and for that we cannot get that in this view. So what you need to do is you need to click on Mastercard offers. So it will scroll the page a little bit down, and then here you can see that the Mastercard gives you access to the the airport lounges, and here this is all the details, and you can see that you can avail one complimentary visit every 3 months. So one domestic complimentary visit in a quarter, and two complimentary international visit in a quarter. So that's what this card is offering. And here one of the key things to highlight here is the this link. So you can see the list of eligible lounges. Now this is very important because like if you're traveling from, let's say, Goa airport, or let's say you're going to Goa and you're looking to book your tickets. So if you don't know, then there are two airports in Goa. One is the newer airport, which is in the North Goa, and one is a older airport in the south of Goa. So most cars do not have access to the lounge at the North Goa airport, which is Manohar Airport. So let's see what are all the lounges that are available with IndusInd Bank's Pinnacle credit card, and here you can see all of the details. So basically it will give you all of the terms and conditions and what you can get with this launch, and you need to click here for the list of participating lounges, and this is the entire list. So you can see that other than Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Kolkata, we have some other airports launch here as well, which is a very good thing. So Amritsar is here. Not a lot of cards give access to that. Chandigarh is there. Then we have Dehradun, which is again a good thing. And now check this out. Goa, both Dabolim and Manohar Airport have lounges, and this card gives access to both of them. So if you are traveling to Goa, let's say you're landing in the South Goa airport, which is the Dublin airport, you can get access to the good times lounge there. Apart, if you are traveling, let's say to or from the North Goa airport, which is the Manohar Goa airport, then you have access to the income lounge there. So this card will give you specifically access to the both of the airports in Goa. This is again a really good benefit, and this is something that you don't get with a lot of cards. So many of the cards will have access to the Dublin airport lounges, but not the Manohar airport lounge. Other than that, if I scroll down, then we can see that in Mumbai we have access to the Oasis lounge, we have access to the Travel Club lounge, we have Adani lounge access, we have Aviserve lounge and Loyalty lounge. So if you do not know that Travel Club lounge is the lounge which can be accessed through majority of all of the credit cards. So all of the credit card mostly have access to this, but the Adani launch is something that is only available on few of the premium cards. So this card gives you access to Adani launch, which is again a really good thing. And one more thing, this Aviserve launch is a pretty good launch. It is only at the arrival, the international arrival. If you are, traveling to Mumbai from an international destination, and before you exit the airport, if you want to, just rest there, or this lounge even have some sleeping pods, I believe. I haven't visited this lounge myself, but I believe they do have that. Now, if I move on to Delhi, then you can see that Incom launch is there. However, there is this one which is a New Delhi domestic T2 launch. I'm not sure which launch it is, but it could be the Incom again, or maybe it could be Plaza Premium. I'm not sure. However, if some of you actually go there, you can check it out. But in Delhi, they don't have any other option right now that I could see other than the Incom launch. Having an lounge access through a smaller airport is actually a pretty good thing when you consider that this card is effectively without annual fees, and you just need to pay the joining fees. And I have seen that in most of my videos comments on this card, I have seen that many people are also getting it as a lifetime free benefit. I got it at a reduced joining fees of 5,000 rupees, but some of for you are getting it at a zero joining fees and zero annual fees. So kudos to you guys. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. And if you did, then please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and I'll try to make more interesting videos in the future. Thanks again for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, take care, and bye.